welcome to Gruvgear, Guitar, a great song coming out from Kodaline, this band, boy band, alright, maybe not boy band, but yeah, still, boys in a band, and I believe they're from Dublin or so, I'm not sure, but I'm guessing a little bit from my left side here, but still, a great song. We Were Only Young, that's for certain, that is the title of this new song, and yeah, we're gonna do this together with a capo on first. That is what I believe the best scenario for us to have the easiest chords possible if you want to match up with the sound, okay? So, let's go into this song, and we have like 10-ish chords or so, maybe 8, 9, not sure. So, let's start from the beginning and go through the chords. We're gonna start with C, and that will be third A, second D, open G, first B, and open E. Next chord is the G B. Okay, so it goes second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have the A sharp. We're gonna go with the sus2 version. So that's a bar on the first fret. You push down 5 strings if you count from bottom up like this. Then you need to add third D, third G. We can continue with that bar on first fret with this F, which is the next chord. This time you bar all strings there on the first fret, and then you need to add third A, third D, and second G. You stay on that, and we learn the F minor. What you do there is to just lift off this second G. That is the minor version of F, okay? Next chord will be the G. Third E, second A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have the A minor as well. Open A, second D, second G, first B, and open E. And finally, in the post-chorus, we have the E7 played. Also the intro and so on. So that goes open E, second A, open D, first G, third B, and open E. Alright, so you can play this in different ways. I'm gonna give you one string pattern that works pretty much through the entire song. It is played a little differently when it comes to the verse play comparing to the chorus, but yeah, this will work, and that will give you first and foremost the timing right when it comes to switch chords and all that. So we have a string pattern that is divided into 2 different parts. So if you grab the first chord C, one full round, both parts goes like this. And this fits perfect for chorus, not really perfect for verse, but still it works there. And as I said, it will give you the right timing for chord switches. So the first part will be down, 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 up. Okay, so down, 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 up. And second part will be up, down, 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 up. So together. And that is one string around. Let's go into this and start with the first verse. You're going to play C1, GB1, A sharp 1, and F1. You're going to play for 2 rounds. 2 rounds of that, and that takes us to the pre-chorus. And guess what? You're gonna play the same verse play in the pre-chorus as well. That starts with the lyrics. There are things and so on. Another one round of that: C, G, B, A sharp, and F, and that takes us to the first chorus at 49 seconds in. Every little word and so on. That's where in the lyrics. We're gonna start with C1, G1, A minor 1, and F1. That's the first half, so to speak. And then the second half will be C1, G1, A minor 1. So far the same. But then F part 1 and F minor part 1. Or part 2, if you wish. It works both there. So the only difference there between the halves is the ending there. In the first half, you're going to play F1 full round. In the second half, you're going to play F part 1 and F minor part 1 or part 2. It goes like this. And then comes the post-chorus part. You're going to play C1, E7 1, F1, and F minor 1. Alright, so that's the first round. Second round, this second verse is played only for one round, and the second pre-chorus is played again with one round, so total 2 rounds of that C, G, B, A sharp, and F. And then the second chorus played in the exact same way as we just learned. And then comes the post-chorus part. You're going to play 2 rounds of that C, E7, F, and F minor. Okay, after that, you're going to jump into the final chorus. You're going to play that in the same way as the previous choruses, and then you're going to play the post-chorus part, the third one, in the same way as the previous ones, only for one round, and you're going to end on that beautiful C chord, 1 down, and that's it. Kodaline, We Were Only Young. A great song, guys. So if you love that band, this song, give it a shot. This is the easiest scenario. Cape on first with these chords. Yeah, hope to see you soon, guys. If this was helpful, then let me know. Leave a comment and like this tutorial and be back for next upload. Play tuned.